Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So let's go and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Also, if you want to join VIP to get alerted when I get in and out of plays, you can also do that and get your free stock down below with Webull and Robinhood. So let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. So ticker symbol COSM, Cosmos Holdings, guys. We know this is one of the hottest penny stocks in the market right now, especially judging by, like I say, it's usually a one and done with these bad boys. So don't get the wrong mindset and the wrong principles and the wrong morals going forward after seeing this penny stock do what it do and think every penny stock is going to be the same. No, usually it's a one and done. Once they have that first green day, you could probably catch it on the next day, and after that it's gonna die out and that's it. And I mean, that's not the case for every, I know you probably recall, oh well, this stock sometimes. Exactly, I'm saying 9 times out of 10, 8 times out of 10, it's a one and done. You get what I'm saying? But sometimes price action never lies. Volume never lies. And that's when we have to regroup ourselves and actually still participate in it. But once my strategy is letting you guys know what I do. Once you make good money off a play one time, never go back in harder than you did the first time. You actually want to go in lesser, just in case it don't go how you plan for it to go. You still want to be up in the profits and not lose that much. So if it don't make sense now today, I'm pretty sure you keep doing your thing, it eventually will. Like, oh, that does make sense. I need to do that. But anyways, go ahead and look at the guys here. Straight to the point, in and out. So Cosmos Holdings, guys, we know it got catalyst news that the CEO bought over 12.5 million shares. That's equivalent to around $1.5 million. So as we know, we never take what they is doing with their money and just let that be our decider to what we do with our money. We use that as a piece of homework. You use them as a piece of homework. You use me as a piece of homework. You use everybody else as a piece of homework. Never let them be your actual decider on what you choose to do with your money. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. That's our homework. We see what the big dogs is doing, right? Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the price action. The price action never lies, guys. Cosmos Holdings is looking good, up over 33% on Friday alone at 53 cents. I know last week when it came back and retested that support around 36 cents, a lot of people thought it was over with. If it broke 36 cents and continued to decline, it would have been over with. But since it bounced off it, that gave it a good chance of coming back and revisiting that high that it hit last week of 81 cents, guys. If we take a look at the chart on Friday, we see we continue to make higher lows. That's a nice form of continuation to see the stock to go further. 1 second, guys. What is it, mama? Some chips? Okay, I'll bring you some chips. Go ahead, throw that in the trash for me. Get that paper. You put that paper in the trash, daddy get you some chips. Thank you. Here, go put that in the trash. Now get your chips. So as you guys can see on last week, it steady continued to make higher lows. That's exactly what we want to see for a continuation, up and to the right, right? So if we also notice that towards the end of the day, we was approaching that last resistance that we need to get through before breaking back up and going to revisit that high on Friday around 60 cents, right? And that resistance is 55. It's good to close in the resistance because the closer we close in the resistance, that's the easier it is to actually break through it on the following week and actually continue to go revisit that high. So if we revisit that high, which I believe we will, guys, we will. I believe from the mama, why is you doing that? I believe from the price action and how Cosmo's been playing out, it definitely has the potential to go revisit that high from last week and high from Friday. 60 cents first and then 80 cents. Stop before you mess up my light. Chloe, do you want to beat? Yeah. Well, then stop. Go. I'm going to bring you the chips. Go. So as you guys can see, that's basically what I had to say in a nutshell. You already know what I got to do. Y'all know I make my videos with my baby girl and whatnot. You already know. But anyways, also I want to show you guys on the chart here that 80 cents that we hit on last week. Once it break above 80, you see it's going to go right up to that dollar territory. And once it get to $1, things does get interesting. Not meaning, just saying more bigger players will start to get in once it reached that dollar mark, and not really the big players will start getting in at the mark, just the smaller, bigger players, if that makes sense. Once they get over $5, that's when the big dollars start getting in. Hedge funds, they'll start getting in because they have some type of rule in place to where they don't really invest in companies that's trading under $5 because it's considered a penny stock. So you already know what to do, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at the BH Show. Get in VIP, get your free stock down below. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.